Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite. It's a certified unit. It's got 41,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax one owner. It's this really cool gray, galaxy gray metallic. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Driver's side of the vehicle looks really good. Rear park assist, rear view camera. Alright, it is an Elite, so it's going to have a few things. This is top of the line Odyssey. It's going to have all the bells and whistles. Alright, we'll check all that out when we get inside the vehicle. Really nice on the exterior. Not a problem at all, not a scratch. Really well taken care of. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the two-tone door panel. Got your memory seats up here. Alright. The blind spot monitoring system as well. Got your truffle leather power driver seat. Alright, the leather's in really good shape. 2 key fobs. Passenger seat looks good. Alright, it is equipped with the sunroof. Go ahead and open that up for you. Got your sunroof there. It also has power rear sliding doors, lane departure warning, a power lift gate. It's got navigation, push button start, heated seats, backup camera, dual climate controls. Alright, touchscreen, the backup camera will be there and your blind spot monitoring will be there. And we'll show you all that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage. It's got 41,830 miles. All right, now that we've got the Odyssey started, I'll go ahead and give you another shot of this. This is your AM, FM, stereo, CD player. It's got all your navigation buttons, phone buttons. All right, rear audio. Okay, let's go ahead and get your navigation up. All right, there's your heated seats again, your dual climate controls. All right, we've got the AC running, everything's blowing cold there. Give you a shot of the navigation. It also is equipped with the backup camera. All right, and let's see, it does have, let me show you this, it does have the blind spot monitoring control. All right, when a car comes in your blind spot, this button right here will light up. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Power rear sliding doors. The leather back here looks great. Alright, middle of the seat comes down, makes a nice convenient cup holder there. Let's go ahead and open up that other side door there to get you a better view. Alright, now that really lightens it up there. Alright, back seats are in good shape. The Touring Elite also comes with this really, it's an extended DVD player. Alright, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the layout. Everything looks really good there. Go ahead and check out your third row seats. Alright, and then you got one down here on the floor, and we'll get that back up in a second. Everything looks good back there. Sliding doors, nice and smooth. Power lift gate. We'll take a look down here. This is some of your storage area back here. Alright, and these third row seats do fold down into that. If you want it to come back up, you simply just pull the seat up. Okay, and pull that. There, hold on. Bear with me there. Sorry about shaking the camera. Okay. Alright. Really nice. And if you wanted to come down, pull the tab. Seats go down. Pull this tab, seats go down, and they also fold back down into this lowered compartment there. But you see how much space that opens up. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. We've got 18-inch alloys, brand new set of tires. Once again, this is a 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's a certified unit, 41,000 miles. Got a clean Carfax, one owner. All right, beautiful vehicle. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.